Innovative building protection with Protectosil protects investments and our climate. Hydrophobization. Mineral building materials are exposed to extreme loads and various damaging environmental conditions. Protectosil building protection has been protecting surfaces and building fabrics from serious damage worldwide for over 50 years. With Protectosil, 3/4 of all damage can be prevented, stopped, or mitigated. Moisture is the driving force behind almost all damage to construction materials. The porous structure allows water and any pollutants that are dissolved within it to penetrate deep inside the substrate by the capillary effect, causing severe damage. Additionally, any freezing water or salts left behind by evaporation can expand, and blasting occurs. Protectosil deep water repellent prevents water and other substances from penetrating the concrete, permanently protecting the building structure from damage. Independent studies show that the service life of concrete can be extended by several decades. In the case of unprotected concrete, the first measures to maintain the building's fabric would be needed after just 10 years. However, concrete protected with Protectosil will remain in good condition for nearly 100 years. So how exactly does deep hydrophobization with Protectosil work? A test shows how the Protectosil protective layer works and prevents the liquid penetrating. Below the protective layer, however, the interior of the stone absorbs liquid like a sponge. The effectiveness can also be shown in another test. We test the water absorption capacity of concrete. A standing column of water is applied to the surface, and the water level is read after half an hour, then after 2 hours, and again after 6 hours. As you can already see here, the untreated concrete draws up the water, so the water column decreases, while the water column on the treated concrete remains the same. Using Protectosil reduces water absorption by more than 90%. This is a level of protection that remains virtually unchanged in high-dosage systems, even after 10 years. Because Protectosil molecules are very small, they penetrate deep into the substrate pores after application. They bond with the capillary walls at the molecular level to form a hydrophobic protective layer. Water can no longer penetrate the substance, as it is repelled at the surface by the protective layer. But moisture in the form of water vapor, on the other hand, can escape without any problems. The building material remains completely breathable, and the removal of condensation from the interior is guaranteed. Since Protectosil acts deep inside the material, the protection lasts much longer compared to other methods. Weathering, UV radiation, or other stresses on the surface do not impair the protective layer inside, as they cannot reach it. What's more, Protectosil hydrophobing agents can be applied using conventional spray equipment, ensuring very high efficiency in terms of effort and effect. Protectosil protects your investments and helps you to minimize the cost of repair and replacement. In this way, Protectosil not only saves money, but also makes an important contribution to sustainability and climate protection. Protection with Protectosil means longer maintenance cycles, lower maintenance costs, appearance remains unchanged for decades, longer life and service life, as well as a valuable contribution to more sustainability and climate protection.
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.